Alright, let's dive into something that's buzzing in the tech world right now, and trust me, it's not just another AI startup story. So, here's the deal. Former executives from Swiggy and Zomato, two of India's biggest food delivery giants, have teamed up to launch an AI startup called Profound. And get this, they've already raised $1.5 million in seed funding. But here's what makes this really interesting. It's not just about the money or the big names involved. It's about what they're building, an AI-powered platform for professional networking and hiring. Personally, I think this is a game changer, especially in a world where LinkedIn feels like it's hitting its limits. What many people don't realize is that professional networking is still largely manual, clunky, and often biased. Profound is trying to flip that script by using AI to make the process smarter, more personalized, and frankly, more human, even though it's powered by machines. Now, let's talk about the founders. Anuj Roti and Prashant Parasha aren't just random entrepreneurs. These guys have serious chops, with experience at Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, Ola, and even Walmart Labs. That's a resume that screams, we know what we are doing. And the investor list? It's like a who's who of Indian tech, Swiggy's CEO, Razorpay's CEO, even the former co-founder of Zomato. When you see names like that backing a startup, it's a clear signal that this isn't just another AI experiment. It's a bet on something big. But here's the part that really caught my attention. Profound isn't just another job board or networking site. It's giving every professional their own AI representative, basically, a digital agent that understands your skills, goals, and even your work style through voice conversations. Think about that for a second. Instead of filling out endless forms or crafting the perfect LinkedIn profile, you just talk to an AI, and it figures out what you're looking for. From my perspective, this is where AI gets personal, and that's where it gets exciting. What this really suggests is that the future of hiring might not be about resumes or job descriptions. It's about AI understanding you as a person, not just a list of skills. And for hiring managers, it's about defining roles through conversations, not rigid job postings. One thing that immediately stands out is how this could level the playing field. If you're someone who's great at what they do but terrible at self-promotion, this AI rep could be your secret weapon. Now, let's zoom out for a second. This isn't just about Profound, it's about a bigger trend. AI is moving beyond automation and into areas that require empathy, understanding, and nuance. If you take a step back and think about it, this is AI trying to solve a fundamentally human problem. How do we connect with the right opportunities? And that's what makes this so fascinating. Of course, there are questions. How accurate will these AI reps be? Will they really understand the nuances of a person's career goals? And what about privacy? When you're sharing your career aspirations with an AI, who owns that data? These are the deeper questions that Profound, and the industry, will need to address. But for now, I'm keeping a close eye on this one. Profound is still in its early stages, with beta access rolling out later this year. Personally, I think this could be the start of something huge, not just for hiring, but for how we think about AI's role in our professional lives. What do you think? Is this the future of networking, or just another tech experiment? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear your take.